Bonjour. Today we're just going to learn the conjugations of these irregular verbs. We have voir, croire, recevoir, and apercevoir. Okay, they all follow kind of a similar pattern, and the key to irregular verbs is to be able to group them together, because in that way you will be able to remember their conjugations, even though they're irregular and they don't follow a pattern that you normally have with your regular verbs. Okay? So let me just show you the first two we have on our list, which are voir and croire. As you can see, they both have this OIR in them. Okay, so we can kind of make, group these together.
Logan, please come to the bird's nest.
We can kind of group them together and have the same endings here. We have SST, ONS, EZ, ENT, right? They both change to a Y, so voyons and croyons in the new and vous form. And then they all follow the same pattern of the OI and then a new ending, okay? The next one is revoir, which is to see again. He is just conjugated similarly to these guys. So as you can see, voir is already in him. All you would have to do is do RE, VOIS, RE, VOIS, right? It follows the same pattern. Next, let me show you recevoir and apercevoir. Means to receive and then to catch sight of or to see. These are conjugated similarly as well. So you can group them together, okay? But they have some irregularities, all right? So as you can see, all of these, recevoir does not have an accent on the C, but in all of these, except for nous and vous, you have an accent on the on the C, I'm sorry. Apercevoir, same thing. Here, there's no accent on the C, but if you look at all of these except for nous and vous, they all have the accent on the C. So this is an irregular conjugation as well. One of the great things that you can kind of group all of these together is that they do the IS thing at the end. There's an SST, ONS, EZ, ENT on all of them. So if you can get the spelling change that's happening inside, then you should be good, okay? Next, let's just go over s'apercevoir means, so if you make it a reflexive verb, if you make apercevoir using it as a reflexive verb, it just means to notice, to be aware of, or to realize, all right? Then let's just go over our passé composé and our conditional, okay? Remember in the passé composé, all of the verbs that we just talked about, they're all going to be taking avoir as their helping verb. If I wanted to say I received, it would be j'ai reçu, not je suis, okay? We're not doing être, it's all going to be avoir. Then these are just your conditional stems. Just in case you don't have them in your notes, make sure you get them down. If you wanted to say I would see, I could see, you would use voir, you'd use VERR, and then remember your conditional endings are just AIS, AIS, and the rest, okay? So make sure you have all this down in your notes. Let me know if you have any questions. Au revoir et merci.